This episode is all about the preview for today's match. Two teams that have been playing today. One with an experienced captain, and another one who is a youngster. He's debuting this season as a captain. I have with me a very good and my old friend, Mr. Parth Doshi. Hi Parth, how are
Hi
you?
Janam, thanks for inviting me.
Most welcome.
Just to tell you how pointless this is, we are staying together since last 2 days. Yes, Janam.
But yeah, we did specially because you're an MS Dhoni fan, isn't it?
That's correct.
That's true. That's true.
So today it's going to be, Bhishma Pitama versus the debutant, or rather you can say experience versus zest. मजा आएगा भिड़ो अब भी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ू.
Yeah, so as you all might have guessed up till now that we're talking about the match that is between CSK and DC. So Pat, what are your thoughts in regards to this match today?
So very honestly, firstly, as I told you, as you know it, I'm a Dhoni fan, so I'm excited to see him after 6 months. And the second excitement I have is I want to see Mr. Pant as captain. He has experience in his team. People like Ashwin, people like Stoinis from all around the world, experienced people, and he's being a youngster. He's given this responsibility. So I'm excited to watch him. How does it play? And not thinking too much about the winning or losing. I would want to see how he leads. What are his thought process?
That's going to be really interesting because he's been admiring MS Dhoni
Correct.
as his idol. And if you see, he keeps on chirping around behind the stumps. So that's going to be an interesting game today.
Yes.
MS Dhoni with his quotes and Pant with his all comics. I guess the commentators should just take a back seat today.
Today the stump mic will be the busy one.
That's true, that's true. But if you talk about experience, they have two more guys in their squad whom you might have missed off. One is Steven Smith,
Yep.
the Australian player who's been a really
One of the most successful Australian captains.
definitely, and on the other hand, their opener Shikhar Dhawan.
Yep.
Oh man, the Gabbar. How
Gabbar.
can you miss Gabbar?
Gabbar is back.
Definitely. So in that thoughts, I feel that the sides are good enough. It's going to be a competitive match. Definitely, you're supporting CSK for sure
100%.
as a Mahi fan, but it'll be a mouth-watering contest and a few trades also that CSK have done and the inputs that they've gotten this season. I feel this season they're looking strong.
Yep. Pretty much more strong with Raina coming back finally. He'll be back on the grounds, I guess, after 1.5 years, if I'm not wrong. 1.5 to 2 years.
Yes.
First time after retiring from international cricket. And with Moeen Ali coming into the team, Rituraj Gaikwad is already there. He's been promising since last year. Robin Uthappa, you've got them back. And now I feel, CSK is the middle order of CSK seems very much stronger. You could have Faf opening, you could have Robin Uthappa opening, you could have Raidu opening, you could even have Mr. Gaikwad opening.
They have 4 to 5 opening combinations already. And if that middle order is strong, we might say MS Dhoni open.
Yes, I would love to do that. Maybe Virat Kohli, Dhoni, everyone opens in the season now.
That's true. But speaking about CSK, on the other hand, DC had a big blow. They have lost their captain for this season. Shreyas Iyer.
Yes.
Yeah, he's been promising. He's led DC to their first ever final last season, and with that, I felt that is a big dent to be filled
Yep.
by the team.
But the advantage that DC has is that the management has one of the biggest and the most successful player, that is Ricky Ponting. He is backing the youngsters like anything, and I feel the DC management has been backing youngsters since like a very long time. They are backing Rishabh Pant since like last 4 5 years, Shreyas Iyer since last 4 5 years, and that has paid off. Today, those people are the captains. So I feel having a new captain rather than picking Steve Smith or someone else, it's a very good and promising thing for the IPL that we might get a new captain as a whole. So let's see how it goes.
And I feel not putting a foreigner as a captain is an advantage
Yes.
because you're filling in a spot,
Yes.
you're blocking a spot
Yes.
of a foreigner. So that is a good advantage, and really it's an advantage for Pant to bloom as he's high on confidence. So we can even see him performing really well in this IPL.
Even in the Indian management, they might see Pant in a different role from now onwards. He might have, let's not pressurize him and say that he has to fill shoes of Mr. MS Dhoni or Virat Kohli or Rohit Sharma for that matter. But definitely he can have a say in the team management now onwards.
Right. So speaking about today's match now, So, what do you think, Parth, that the four overseas players for both the teams?
It's a very tough call for CSK. For DC, sorry, my bad. DC, I still feel it'll be a straightforward thing. For CSK, it will be a very tough call for me always. Faf, Bravo, then it'll be Moin Ali, and the fourth one could be Jasim Brenhoff or Imran Tahir. Let's see if there's a turning pitch, and Mr. Dhoni likes spinners, as we all know. He might get Tahir on board, but if the pitch is for fast pace bowlers, he might get Brenhoff also.
You missed the last year's promising star. That's Sam Curran.
Oh yes, I'm sorry.
So I feel definitely he walks in
Yes.
after his
yes,
last performances
yes,
for England.
Yes.
I'm surely thinking MS Dhoni will be backing him, and he's like,
He was the
man,
golden boy last year.
definitely. So I feel that's going to be a really tough call for
Yes.
CSK to fill in the four overseas players. But for DC, it's going to be rather tough this for the first match itself, because their first choice two overseas bowlers, those are South Africans. That is
Yeah.
Kagiso Rabada and Nokia. Both are under mandatory quarantine.
Yeah.
So definitely the last season's Bloom, who picked most of the wickets, they'll be missing their at least first
First few
initial matches. So big shoes to fill out there as well.
That's a very bad thing or sad thing right now. They have missed their captain. They have not got the most experienced bowler, but they have the experience of Marcus Stoinis being one of the best
Yes.
all-rounders at right now. They have Steve Smith filling with experience. The next one would be I'm forgetting the foreign players. Could you help me?
Chris Wokes.
Chris
You
Wokes,
have Chris
yes, one
Wokes
more
from
rounder.
England as well.
So I feel these three are fixed. The fourth one that DC might think about a batsman or a bowler, because the middle order streams very strong.
Yes.
Assuming that Dhawan and Shaw opens, one down Steve Smith, two down Rishabh Pant himself, four down Stoinis, then Chris Wokes. So the middle order streams are humongously strong, which Mahendra Singh Dhoni might think that spinners against this middle order will be very effective.
And on that note, if you want to take your batting deeper as well, you can add Tom Curran as the
That's
fourth
it.
overseas
Brother was a brother.
Oh, that's a mouth-watering contest again. So yeah, definitely a good team. And what do you expect? Means, do you expect a high-scoring match, or do you expect a one-sided contest?
I would love to see a high scoring match, and I hope that CSK chases and I get to see the six.
Definitely, that's there. But with this, the team management and everything, if you go to see, there have been some issues with DC as well. As Akshat Patel is also under mandatory quarantine due to his COVID positive. But I still feel they have a good squad. They have Ashwin, Amit Mishra, Lalit Yadav, all three spinners. They are Indian spinners, so that is an advantage to them. And with that, I feel that a spin department is going to be a spin contest to be seen.
Today.
Yeah. So definitely, I would like to see. And if I'm not wrong, the match is in Mumbai today.
Yes. MI will be missed.
Definitely. But he doesn't care that much. It's MS Dhoni there.
The
So-
winning six was in one today, if you can remember, guys.
Yes. So according to you, the playing 11 will be that, and your team will be going as CSK.
Yes.
You'll be supporting CSK today.
Just two last questions, Janam, I would like to ask. One is, last time CSK struggled against the spin a lot. Today DC has three Indian spinners. What do you think?
Nothing much to worry about, because they've been practicing hard, as well as they've got a power pack spinning combination this season. So obviously they've been practicing in the nets with the spin department. And if you follow them on Instagram, you can see all around that how they are going hitting on.
And Mr. IPL is back.
You have nothing better than that. The person who's been missed the whole season, he'll be licking his fingers to just go on the ground and just start playing for it. So with that,
Just one
yeah.
last question, sorry. Who do you think will open for CSK?
Oh, very tough call. But I would like to see an experienced captain, experienced campaigner, in fact, with a youngster opening. That will be.
Let's discuss, at least name out the combinations. If not, what are the possible combinations?
So see, according to me, if I am Dhoni with his last year's performance, I would go with Ruturaj Gaikwad as an opener, and to partner him, I would really love Robin Uthappa to open. So that will be my first choice.
So basically, then Raidu at number 4.
Maybe that can even strengthen your middle order a bit more. And with that, Dhoni can come at 5 and finish off the innings. Or you can even see Jadeja finish off the innings today. as he's been promoting that since last year. So I feel right, Ruturaj Gaikwad and Robin Uthappa should be the first choice. According to you, I'm sure you're going with the world is gold.
I want to see Faf and Raidu or Uthappa and Raidu.
Nice. Good choice. So with that, we end our segment for today. We'll surely meet after the post-match. and we'll
CSK!
see CSK, DC. Let's see who wins. Thank you so much for.
I hope we get to see our first Super Over today.
Oh man, thank you so much for joining, and please do check in our review as well on this match. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Bye bye.